Blocking anyone on Zelle is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To access settings, open the Zelle application on your smartphone. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, usually initials or avatar. After that, select Settings. Within Settings, find the Privacy Settings or Block Requests option. Now tap on it to access your current list of blocked contacts and manage permissions. You will see two main options. Block requests. This prevents individuals from sending you payment requests in the future. You will also get the option blocked users. This lists everyone you've already blocked from sending or receiving payments. Then we have blocking specific users. To block someone specific, search for their name or email address in the app. Alternatively, you can scroll through your recent transactions and find the user you want to block. Now tap on their name or email and select Block or Add to Blocked Users. For confirmation, Zelle will typically ask you to confirm your decision to block the user, and tap Confirm to complete the process.